Live look at the current evacuations for the Point Fire. The area in red, that is where the evacuation orders are in place. The yellow are evacuation warnings. Jose Martinez talked to a winery owner who lost everything in the tub fire a few years ago and is now on edge, waiting to see if history is going to repeat itself.
Francisco Lopez, co-owner of Aldina Vineyards, is no stranger to the devastating impacts of wildfires. As the Point Fire burns over 1,000 acres near Lake Sonoma, he feels a sense of deja vu.
I think it was definitely pretty traumatic in the sense that, unfortunately, we were fire victims in 2017, where my family lost their home of over 20 years in the Tubbs fire. So for us, I mean, it's definitely a traumatic experience whenever we have that smell in the air of the fire.
Francisco tells me he's been paying close attention to the news since the fire is happening just a few minutes away near the southeast region of Lake Sonoma.
That first time, none of us were prepared, especially in 2017. I think that, you know, now, I mean, with the when we first knew that there was a fire, you know, the first instinct is, you know, make sure the cars have gas and, you know, everything is ready to go in case we do have to evacuate.
His biggest fear is that evacuations are already underway across the region. Hundreds of people have been evacuated in the Dry Creek Valley, with an additional evacuation warning affecting over 4,000 residents north of Mill Creek Road. An evacuation center has been set up at Laguna High School in Forestville, ultimately also impacting Francisco's business.
Definitely, I don't think there's a lot of tastings going on in Healdsburg today, but there are still people here in town, and we'll do our best to take care of those people that are here.
While following emergency recommendations shared by Sonoma County and local organizations like United Way of Wine Country.
Oh, I would say 94 folks who have contacted 211 in the last 24 hours, which is unusually high for our 211 activity. And what I understand from our call center and our 211 director, Jennifer, is that of those calls, most of them have been coming from folks who are in this region right here. It's the folks who are in the evacuation warning zone.
Like Francisco, who tells me, now it's time to remain vigilant, hoping for the best, but preparing for the worst.
Trying to be mindful of, you know, so many of those who have already lost homes and the wineries that are have been closed.
And Francisco tells me he's definitely going to stay on top of this emergency while also helping those in need at this moment.